Hi guys, welcome back. Today is the 14th of Jan, just about 5 past 5. Just thought I'd give you a quick market update, what's going on in the world. Equities seem to be, the indices, sorry, seem to be a bit down on the day. We got the US dollar down a little bit, SDX down a little bit, and also the UK 100 down a little bit, the FTSE 100. Um, as far as commodities go, uh, give it this one. Oil received a bit of a retracement back, 1% down today. Um, That's coming off the top. So we go back down to ETFs. I have actually added a few ETFs to my portfolio last night or yesterday afternoon. I added a bit of VNQ, which is a real estate ETF, and we also added a bit of the Chinese large cap shares, the FXI, which I believe is probably going to hopefully produce some profit next year. I think China will start to push on a bit next year with regards to opening up and hopefully from the last few years of downsides, we should start to see a bit more upside. So I've just placed it's the same position as most of my other ETFs on the side, just kind of add to it week in, week out, also decrease my average in and obviously hope to profit better at the end of it. So VNQ, that's actually up 0.3% on the day. FXI up 2% on the day. Oil obviously is supposed to be just still on there from the commodities. So gold is just 0.08, so pretty much flat. The VTUS is down a bit, obviously reflecting the S&P 500. The EEM, which is emerging market shares, are up 0.7%, and the QQQ again is down 0.5%, so 0.5%. As we head over to the stocks, we do stocks next. So stocks, Nvidia and AMD are both down just under 2%. This is probably due to yesterday it come out about the US putting a legislation through to say reducing or taxing heavily the export chips from the US. They're going to tax it a lot, um, which will be fun for them. Sorry, let's do this. Okay, okay, let's just deliver that for a sec. So yeah, that's probably the reason they had a bit hit. Um, Taiwan Semiconductor, obviously, that's down 1.2% today. I'm a bit surprised it's a bit down. Obviously, later on in the week, we're looking for the release of their results. So hopefully, the earnings should be pretty good by the sounds of it and kind of what I've been reading about it. AI down 1.6% again, probably to do with the chip concerns. And maybe that's why the semiconductor being the largest chip supplier to like NVIDIA, Microsoft, things like that, as I always tell you. Scottish Mortgage Investments, which is the LSE, that's actually up 0.6% today. NED, which is the energy company, produces a lot of wind turbines and stuff like that, it's up 0.2% today. Blackstone, which is a private investment group, up 0.7%, and UPath's up 1.3%. And then if we head down to crypto, which I'm sure everyone's really keen on, Bitcoin is 1.5% up today. Ethereum, 2.4% up today. Cardano is up 3.3% today, and XRP is up 3.9%. XRP's been holding really strong again. I think due tomorrow is the big day. I think it's tomorrow, the 20th, they have the SEC meeting. So the outcome of that would obviously make this absolutely tank or absolutely blast off. So definitely worth keeping an eye on that. So yeah, that's all for me today. Just a quick snapshot. We'll obviously try and get some more videos done on my actual portfolio. If you'd like to follow me, there's a link down in the description for the eToro link where you can check out my portfolio, my performance over the last 2 years, 5 years. And if you'd like to add, you can just add in £200 and copy me as I always say. But the link's down in the description. Obviously, if you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll keep doing these daily updates and future videos if you need it to be done. Thank you very much.